Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo. Now this one came in the regular Zippo black box. And the label on it says Joker. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. Here's a first look at the Joker. It even says Joker on there. He's got his top hat. Looks like he's wearing a tuxedo. Now this is a brass case with a black matte finish put on top of it. And this one looks like it was made in D of this year or April of this year. Really good stampings on this one. Now this one actually came with a regular steel insert, but I put the brass colored steel insert in there. It looks a little bit better. Fires up nice. It's got a real good sound. Let's do a drop test on the Joker. A lit drop test. So the Joker tried to start a fire, but he passed the drop test just fine. Now Zippo does make quite a few Jokers, and especially they make a lot of skulls. Here's a couple of good ones I have. This is just the Joker face. And this one was made in, looks like, can't really see that real well. Well, it looks to me like it was 09. But that's a real good one. And one I really like in my collection is this one. This is another Joker. And this one was made in 2011. That's a good one. And they are all genuine Zippos made in the USA and definitely deserve a little cowbell. Knuckle bomb.